We will talk about world population predictions and problems seen from data. Our research aim is to investigate the problems arising from future population projections and find ways of solving problems. We looked for papers and articles. Then we explore future population problems and solutions. This is the World Population Prospects 2024 report predict. This line graph is how much the population will grow. This is the years. The other axis is total population in billion. Global population is peaked at 10.3 billion in the mid-2080s, rising from 8.2 billion in 2024, then decreasing to 10.2 billion by 2100. This is 700 billion fewer than projected 10 years ago. The earlier population peak is driven by lower fertility rates, especially in populous countries like China. This illustration shows what is the trend in the world population. Look at fertility rates in 1995. The average global fertility rate was 3.31 children per woman. However, this has dropped significantly to 2.25 in 2024. The second major trend is an aging population. By the 2017s, the number of over 65 people will exceed than those under 18. Population growth is expected to cause a variety of problems. For example, food shortages is expected to be the first problem, as the demand for food is expected to increase by 50% by 2050, and the current system is not equipped to cope with this increase. In addition, resources are expected to be depleted. These problems are also expected to cause environmental destruction. Preventing these problems requires reducing the birth rate. I will now describe two ways in which we have actually reduced the birth rate. The first way is to grow the economy. By growing the economy, more money can be spent on education. This reduces the number of children per family. This diagram shows decline in the birth rate in several countries. In fact, in South Korea, 20 years of average annual economic growth of 7% has resulted in a 42% decline in the birth rate. In Taiwan, an economic growth rate of 6.6% for 20 years also reduced the birth rate by 47%. The second way is to implement tough policies. In fact, China's one-child policy placed restrictions on having children. This allowed China to reduce its birth rate by 40% in 20 years. The conclusion is that the fertility rate should be reduced by stimulating economic growth and implementing tough policies to address these problems. This is references. Thank you for listening.